The Folding e-mountain bike with removable battery is a versatile and convenient electric bike perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a powerful motor and a durable frame that can be easily folded and transported, this bike is the ideal choice for those looking for adventure and convenience. 250-watt GEAR motor. Brushless geared hub motor, strong power, high efficiency, quieter, lighter, smoother. Provide enough power for your daily outings and beach trips. The maximum speed of 25 km per hour gets you to your destination faster and reduces unnecessary time spent on the road. 36V, 10.4Ah lithium battery. Removable high energy, travel range of 18 to 23 miles in pure electric mode and 45 to 48 miles in pedal mode. Battery lock and power lock function. 6 hours fast charge. A removable battery allows you to install it while in use, avoiding the risk of theft. Long battery life takes you further. Ride it and enjoy your relaxing time instantly. Top-notch body structure. Tire: 20 inches by 4.0 cover tires, 20 by 4.0 inner tube. Enhanced anti-skidding and wear-resistant tires, adapt to snow, sand and other complex topography. Adapt to all terrain, snow roads, sand roads, and gravel roads. Front and rear mechanical disc brakes bring you peace of mind. Lightweight and strong aluminum alloy frame, easy to climb 30 degrees. The overall ergonomic design of the electric bike body is comfortable and easy to ride. 3 working modes. A powerful and cost-effective mountain e-bike. 1. Pedal assist mode. The motor will assist you with moderate power as you pedal the bicycle. 2. Fully electric mode. Twist the throttle in any increments of power you desire to power the bicycle's motor. 3. Manual mode. Pedal the bicycle generally as you would any bicycle. Note to keep the battery alive, our warehouse uses an extension charging cord. Batteries need to be charged regularly to keep them alive. The cord is of no use to you. If you receive this cord, please ignore it. There is a professional charger in our packages. Please use the correct charging equipment to charge. Attention! The bike comes with a disabled throttle, a top speed of 25 km per hour, and a motor locked and labeled as 250 watt to meet UK regulations, which is legal on the road in the UK. If you need to unlock the throttle, the top speed, and the motor power, please consult us and we will send the simple instructions to unlock or lock it back. Attention! Please be aware that a 20F Plus might be too high, big, heavy, 34 kg, for customers' height below 5'5" to 5'6". Note: 1 to 3 working days to UK main areas, 3 to 7 working days to UK remote areas and EU. Pick up in London. Please keep the original box if you need to return the bike. The Folding e-mountain bike with a removable battery is a game changer in the electric bikes niche. Not only does it offer the ease of riding, but it's also convenient to store and travel with. The bike's foldable design allows you to stow it away in your car trunk, take it on public transport, or even carry it on your shoulders to your office or apartment. Enjoy longer rides with the removable battery. The bike's removable battery is a practical feature that lets you ride longer and explore more. The high-capacity battery offers up to 50 miles of travel on a single charge. When the battery is low, you can remove it for charging, which takes around 6 hours to fully recharge. Additionally, the battery's portable design allows you to take it with you to charge indoors, without having to move the whole bike. Experience an effortless and versatile ride. The Folding e-mountain bike is equipped with a powerful 250-watt brushless motor, enabling you to reach up to 20 miles per hour effortlessly. The bike's 7-speed gears allow you to adjust the speed and intensity to your preference, making it ideal for different terrains. Whether it's a steep uphill climb, gravel roads, or the city streets, the bike's sturdy aluminum frame and suspension forks provide stability and comfort, ensuring a smooth and versatile ride.